Changing your password on Telegram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is secure with a new password. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains options related to your account security. Step 4. Change password. Look for the password option within the Privacy and Security settings. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again if prompted. Once done, save your changes to update your password. Now your Telegram account is secured with a new password. Remember to keep your password safe and consider enabling two-step verification for added security.